Hi everyone, it's Anant. Welcome back. I hope you're doing great. In this video, I'm talking about formatting command, aliases, provider, and comparisons. Let's start. In PowerShell, there are different format command: format label, format list, format wide, format custom. So if I run a command without format command, I get the result in the list format, but I can use format table at the end of the command after a pipe, and then I can get the result in the table format. So let's run get service name win32 time, and then you see the default result is coming in the table format. If I run the same command with format list, now if you notice there are more results in the list format. This doesn't occur with every command because the way formatting for the particular command is set up behind the scene is different for different commands. If we pipe format list to get member, we see that there are different object type associated with formatting command. What are alias in PowerShell? An alias in PowerShell is a shorter name for a command, and PowerShell has some built-in aliases that we can use, or we can also define our own aliases. So if we run get alias, we'll see all the aliases with PowerShell. If we need to find aliases for a command, we can use definition parameter to get the alias for that command. For example, we can use get alias definition. For example, get command, comma, get member. And if we run this command, GCM for get command and GM for get member. Let's talk about provider. A provider in PowerShell is an interface that allows file system like access to a data store. So there are a number of built-in providers in PowerShell. How do we get that? If we run get ps provider, we can see there are built-in provider in PowerShell like registry, alias, environment, file system, function, variable, certificate, wsman. We can get that drive by get ps drive. So we can see the name of these drives. PS drives can be accessed just like a traditional file system. So what we can do, get child item path, for example cert colon backslash local machine backslash, and then maybe go to ca and hit enter. There you go. Let's talk about comparison operator. PowerShell contains a number of comparison operator that can be used to compare value or find value that match certain pattern. So you can look at this table. Let's look at some example. So if I put code PowerShell code slash equals code PowerShell code, it says true. But if I run the same command with C before EQ, which makes it case sensitive, now it says false because P in the first PowerShell is caps, and in the second, where it's comparing, P is a small case. Let's talk about like and match. Like matches using the star wildcard character, and matches the specified regular expression. So if we do PowerShell like code wildcard cell code, and it says true because it's matching with a wildcard is it accepts everything before cell. For using match, we use a regular expression. So how we can do that? So code PowerShell match, and for example we can start with the single quote down arrow star dot cell dollar sign single quote single dollar sign single quote, and it says true. For this specific example, the first and the last character defines the start and end of the expression. The wildcard accepts anything, and dot matches the character before dot cell.